Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the thread system you're measuring, metric versus inch, because the pitch standards differ. Once done, clean the fastener thoroughly. Grime alters the feel and gives false readings. Make sure to select the correct gauge set and roughly match major diameter first, since that narrows choices quickly. Then position the gauge teeth lightly against the thread roots so you can find the closest mesh. This first step sets the tone for an accurate measurement. Next, you seat the gauge teeth squarely into the thread grooves. Do not rock or angle it, because angling gives a shallow, incorrect impression. Once seated, compare adjacent gauges to confirm the best match. Pick the one with smooth, even contact across several teeth. If needed, rotate the fastener slowly while observing. A correct match stays aligned without gaps. Make sure to use good lighting or a magnifier so you can see the tooth tips sit perfectly into the thread valleys. Finally, you verify the result by measuring the major diameter with a caliper and matching the gauge's pitch number. This cross-check prevents mistakes. If no gauge fits cleanly, inspect for damaged or worn threads, repair with a chase, or replace the fastener, because distorted threads produce false readings. Make sure to record the specification clearly, such as M8X1, 25 or 1/4-20, so you don't repeat the process. If readings still conflict, re-clean and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.